Shit, you see the one he just came down?
Yeah.
What I'm scared about is the way that rock sticks out. See what I mean?
That one goes over that way.
You got it. Keep on. Yeah, like that. You want to try and drop off square. Nice and slow. You got it.
You're gonna hit the back again. You're gonna hit the back again.
Here goes the fender. Oh yeah.
Look at that boy go.
Finally we got some footage of you wheeling.
Somebody manned up and took the off-road car over here.
That was good, dude.
Hell yeah. Oh, they got a good spot. Oh,
That's all it takes.
I think that's good. Heck yeah.
Right?
If not, it would have been ugly.
There's a
Drop off.
Dude, did you see the first one?
Yeah.
Dude, look at the first one. It's a stair step. It's like this
Oh, yeah,
freaking tall.
walk down.
Yeah.